Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss a problem from mensuration 2D. It is given a square of side A is inscribed in a circle. So this is the square that is side A that is inscribed in a circle. 4 semicircles are drawn at 4 sides of the square. Here are 4 semicircles like this, which are drawn at 4 sides of the square. We have to find the area of the shaded region. So we have to find the area of these regions. How can you find the area of the shaded region? Observe that the whole figure looks like this. And now there is a circle inside the figure. So the shaded regions are this, and this. You have to find the area of these regions. Therefore, from the whole figure, you have to subtract the area of the circle. Therefore, area of the shaded region equal to area of whole figure minus area of the circle. So let's find area of the whole figure. So this is the whole figure and there was a square. So how you can find area of the whole figure? We have to find the area of the 4 semicircles separately and we have to find the area of the square separately. The side of the square was A. So area of the figure is equal to area of the square plus area of 4 semicircles. Area of square of side A is equal to A square. Now find area of the 4 semicircles. So you see that diameter of a semicircle is equal to A because these 4 semicircles are on each sides of the square. Therefore, diameter of the semicircle is A, that is side of the square. Therefore, radius of a semicircle is equal to A by 2. Therefore, area of a semicircle is equal to half pi A by 2 square. That is half pi A square by 4. Therefore, area of 4 semicircles is equal to 4 into half pi A square by 4. That is pi A square by 2. Hence, area of the whole figure that is equal to area of the square, that is A square, plus area of 4 semicircles, that is pi A square by 2. Now we have to find the area of this circle from area of the whole figure. So let's find area of the circle. So there was a square inside this circle like this. Now observe that the diagonal of the square is equal to diameter of the circle. So diagonal of the square equal to diameter of the circle. Let's find diagonal of the square. Side of the square is equal to A. Therefore, diagonal of the square is equal to A root 2. Therefore, diameter of the circle equal to A root 2. Therefore, radius of the circle is equal to a root 2 by 2. Therefore, radius of the circle is equal to a by root 2. Now find area of the circle. Area of the circle is equal to pi a by root 2 whole square. That is equal to pi a square by 2. We had area of shaded region is equal to area of whole figure minus area of the circle. So what was area of the whole figure? Area of the whole figure was a square plus pi a square by 2, and area of the circle is equal to pi a square by 2. Therefore, these two gets cancelled out and we get a square. Therefore, area of the shaded region is equal to area of the square. That is a square. This is the answer. Thanks for watching.